After defining the basement level of a reinforced concrete building, it's time to define the landings and flights of the stairwell leading to the next level. To begin defining the stairwell, from the text menu, select Geometry Floors. The floor dialog displays. Within the property group, expand the thickness dropdown and select TH200. Next, in the drawing area, pick 4 corners to define a landing. Use the guiding lines that connect to the structural axes when selecting the points. The first landing should be positioned at 1.95. Close the shape by clicking the first point. Again, using the structural axes as guides, place another landing at Story 2. After those 2 landings have been defined, it is time to connect them. Back in the floor dialog, deselect Horizontal Slab. In the drawing area, beginning with the second landing, pick 4 points to define a staircase. Ensure the staircase is half the width of the landing. And, again, close the shape by clicking the initial point. Next, create another staircase, connecting the first landing to the bottom level of the building. A staircase now connects the first floor to the second floor. In the floor dialog, click Close.